swamp.
Here's the entrance. This is where we catch a boat, right?
You guys are going to be rows 1 and 2.
Thank
you. Have a good time, guys.
Row 1 and 2. Row 1. We want row 1. We're number 1. You're number 2. We're number 1. You're number 2. Oh, let's go. That's your favorite part, Lizzie? Colty, did you like that ride?
Did you like it?
Was it fun?
Here, tell me about it. Tell me about the ride. What'd you do? Yeah, what'd you do? Yeah?
Bye, Colty. Come back quick, somebody's coming. Hurry. Oh, he's so fast. All right, we just got off the Navi River, huh? What do you think, Lizzie Joe?
Cool.
Is it still one of your favorite rides? Yeah. What do you think about the avatar in there? Is she beautiful? What do you think, Carter? Did you think she was beautiful?
No, Ariana.
Oh, Ariana Grande.
Mom said this is Ariana.
Ariana, if you ever watch this video, please call Carter.
Dad, kiss him.
What do you think, Tanner?
I liked it.
You liked it? All right, so we're pretty much done here in the world of Avatar. We rode the Navi River. We went flying on a Banshee. We went into the gift shop and we checked out all the cool sights and alien plants and other things to look at. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head back into the Animal Kingdom Park itself and find a new adventure there. So let's go.
Thank you for joining us at Pandora today. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and ring that bell. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.